This wasn't the plan. I came to Bedgebury just to check a small waterfall marked on the map. Paid the parking. Again, not cheap. Walked through Blossom, into the Pinetum, and found it. A neat little fall, probably man-made. Worth a photo. Tripod out. Job done. But Bedgebury's bigger than that. Much bigger. This whole place was shaped as an estate. Streams turned into lakes. Great Lake. Ladies' Lake. Marshall's Lake. So I kept walking. Left the main paths. Dropped down toward Ladies' Lake. And that's when I heard it. Before I saw it, a second waterfall. Hidden, iron-stained rock, chalybeate spring water, part natural, part engineered, completely off the trail. That's the thing with places like this. Most people stay on the paths, but the real finds are just out of sight. And I've barely scratched this forest. I'll be back.